Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Dell 3010 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the YouTube description. There I give two links. First is the Mega, second is the Google Drive link, and go to the 64-bit link because Windows 11 is always 64-bit. I click on the Mega link. You can also click on the Google Drive link. I open Mega link 64-bit. I open it in a web browser, and here we find our Mega link. Here we find our link. Click at here. Here we find three dots. Click on this three dot and go to the download. Here we find standard download. Go to the standard download or download as a zip. Both are same. I go to the download as a zip or go to the standard download. I click on the standard download. Wait for a few seconds. Standard download is started. Wait for a few seconds. It's completed now. Go to the here. Here we find downloads. Click on show in a folder. Minimize it. Here we find our setup file. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. And here we find our setup file. And this setup file is actually zip file. And we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple process. Right click on it. Show more options. Click on the extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find our extracted folder. Double click on it. And double click on this Win X64. And here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers on our PC. That is very easy and simple. We are going to install it manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Here we find add a device. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new option is a pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Minimize it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go to the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a very IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any port named USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004, select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Here click on Havdix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here you find many folders. Go to your folder. Double click on the newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on this folder. And here we find this single file. Select that single file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer Dell Color Laser 3010CN. Select our printer name. Click on the next. Here we find printer name. You can give any printer name. I give same printer name and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner list, here we find our printer name Dell Color Laser 3010CN. That means our printer is properly installed and properly work in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.